The amplifier is the final stage of the signal path. It needs to power the loudspeakers. It needs to have plenty of available power to respond to the needs and the dynamics of the material.
The output stage was designed specifically to tolerate a wide range of loudspeaker impedance variations.
The number 5302 achieves this with a bridgeable Class AB design.
The amplifier industrial design for me is a great distillation of where Mark Levinson has been and kind of where we're going. The handles are a beautiful new design that we've implemented for this series of product.
They're each machined out of solid aluminum and bee-blasted to match the knobs on the preamplifier.
What I really like about the number 5302 is its flexibility. Sonically superb. The bass you get out of that amplifier and the width of image is truly amazing.
The number 5302 was designed specifically for bridged mono operation in addition. When we select that mode of operation, we use a different set of windings on the transformer, which are optimized for mono. And under those conditions, the number 5302 will deliver 275 watts into 8 ohms or 550 watts mono into 4 ohms. By making the number 5302 bridgeable, we're also offering great flexibility. A customer could buy a 5302, use it as a stereo amp, and later purchase a second unit and run both of them in bridged mono.
You can even use it with an integrated amplifier like the 5805 and use it as a biamp situation where it's driving the low end, your 5805, and a biamp is driving the top end. There's a lot of ways you can use the number 5302.
The number 5302 amplifier is, of course, based extensively on the platform development we did for the number 5805 integrated amp. However, the number 5302 allows us to use a much bigger power supply. It's important to think of the power supply in an amplifier as being what provides the power to the speakers themselves, with the amplifier circuit sort of functioning as a faucet, controlling that power.
Most other amplifiers only have a power button. The number 5302 has IP, RS-232, and a 12-volt trigger to turn it on and off. We also have an internal system web page that an advanced user can use to see the status operation of the unit. Number 5302 and all of our amplifiers have a processor in it that does sensing of all the communications, but there's also a lot of work done by the processor to take care of safety features in the unit, make sure it doesn't get too hot, there's not too much current being pulled out of it.
So in a power amplifier, especially one with a lot of Class A bias, like the number 5302, we need some good heat sinks. As you'll notice, the heat sinks are external, they're robust, they're nice to look at, they're beautifully finished.
The external heat sinks look great and perform great, and they give the amplifier a powerful appearance that is form-following function.
With cosmetic-grade heat sinks, a glass display, and solid aluminum handles, the number 5302 blends harmoniously with the rest of the 5000 series, at the crossroads of where science meets art.